Students, let us discuss the chemical properties of ether. The first one is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Substitution reaction. Ethers, when it is treated with HBr or hydrogen iodide, it undergo nucleophilic substitution reaction and gives alcohols. So this the first one is name of this compound methoxyethane undergo nucleophilic substitution with hydrogen iodide and gives CH3I alkyl halide and an alcohol CH3 CH2OH. This is iodomethane and this is ethanol. The same way, when anisole C6H5OCH3 undergo nucleophilic substitution with hydrogen iodide, it gives C6H5OH plus CH3I. This is methoxybenzene form phenol. One is autooxidation. When ethers are stored in the presence of atmospheric oxygen, they slowly oxidize to form hydroperoxides and dull alkyl peroxides. So this is the CH2O, CH2, CH3. When it is stored in the excess of oxygen, this undergo oxidation CH3O, CH2O, C plus CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3. Name of this compound is 1-ethoxyethyl hydroperoxide, and this is diethyl peroxide. So when it is stored in the excess of oxygen, they undergo autooxidation. Autooxidation means some spontaneous oxidation reaction by atmospheric oxygen is called autooxidation. So ethers undergo autooxidation and it gives hydroperoxides and dialkyl peroxide. So next one is aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Aromatic electrophilic substitution reactions. Here ether contains, this is the aromatic ethers, it contains this group OR group. This OR group is activating group, so it directs the incoming group to ortho or para position. So the OR group which is the activating group. It activated to the ortho and para positions. It activates the electrophilic substitution reactions. The first one is halogenation. This is anisole. This anisole undergo bromination with bromine water in acetic acid. Even in the absence of catalyst, para-isomer is obtained. So it undergo electrophilic substitution reaction with bromine water, ethanoic acid, this is the major product and this is the minor product. Name of the compound is para bromo anisole. Here ortho bromo anisole. Second one is nitration. Anisole, when it is treated with a mixture of concentrated sulfuric acid, concentrated nitric acid, it gives a mixture of ortho and para nitroanisole. Name of this compound is ortho nitroanisole. This is the minor product and this is para nitroanisole and this is the major product. Next one is an important naming reaction, that is Friedel-Crafts reaction. Friedel-Crafts reaction. Anisole when it is treated with CH3Cl, an alkyl halide, the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, carbon disulfide, it gives two isomer. One is ortho isomer and another one is para isomer. Name of this compound is 2-methoxy-toluene. This is 4-methoxy-toluene and this is the minor product and this is the major product. The same way, anisole, when it is treated with an acid chloride CH3COCl, the presence of anhydrous aluminum chloride, it gives The same way two isomer, one is ortho isomer, another one is para isomer. This is the ortho isomer and para isomer. Name of the compound is 2-methoxy acetophenone, and this is 4-methoxy acetophenone. Thank you.